Hey guys, I'm Matt again, A to Z Auto Masters. We got this X5 here, 2005 X5. Came in, customer complained that the truck is sitting too low to the ground, and he has a suspension code, self-level suspension inactive code on the dash, and the truck was sitting too low and it's bouncing while he's driving. So came in, we set up the car in the lift. This side was sagging. This side was sitting too low to the ground. So we're just gonna go up in the air and see what's going on with this truck. Okay, here we go. We got the truck up in the air. Let's see. It seems like we have a bad airbag right there. Suspension is shot. I have a leaky airbag right here. I guess we're gonna get a couple new airbags and take care of that. Okay, so we're just gonna access the airbag from the trunk. This cover out. Just trying to do this with one hand here. So here we go. Fold this seat a little bit forward. We're doing the driver rear, so it's basically underneath this cover. So we're gonna have to take these off. Couple bolts here off, just to have access. That we're gonna remove this cover. Out of the way. One more clip here. Here we go. So we have these two pieces of plastic. The panels are removed. Now the air shock is right here. There you go, and that's the supply line. Okay, just gonna peel this off. Here we go. It's the air line. It's the air line right there. And here's one clip. And here's the second clip. That's how it's held. These two clips right there. We're gonna just disconnect the air line and bleed the line. Take the air out. Be careful. It's high pressure. Probably can use like a needle nose like that, and just grab that plastic clip. Here we go. Right. Line is disconnected. Right here. Now remove the two clips. They usually just pry in between with a flat head like that, and right there. Out. Same thing the other side. Just trying to do this one-handed here. And slide it out. Here we go. Here's one. Here's two. Okay. Now we're done here. You can see the bag is loose. I'm just gonna go down there, take the other clip off. Okay guys, so now here's the view with the wheel removed. So, car, wheels off. There you go. The airbag is right there, and as you can see, it's disconnected from here, and all we have to do is just disconnect the bottom, which is right here. That seat clip right there.
and the bag is loose. Let's see, now we'll try on that bag right there. Here we go. It's out. Here we go. The bag's out of place right there. Here we go. Garbage. Here we go. This thing. Look at this. Nice brand new bag. Original. Always make sure you have this little knot right there. One usually on each side, and the opposite from each side, right to left, and you have a little notch right there. It should fit in there, and you have the little knob goes into the notch right there. Perfect. That's how it sits. Right with that C clip back right there. Yeah, so I'll extend that back just right there, perfect, right there. And make sure it fits on top. Right there, you can feel it locked, fit in place a lot. Okay. Basically need somebody up top to put the C-clips, so I'm just gonna lower it and get somebody to hold it down here. So we got somebody down there. Now, C-clip back, clips right in. The other one right here. Now it's locked in place. We can pull this cover off. Make sure it's straight. Right there. And that's it. Clipped in, locked. Now put this boot back. Perfect. Okay, so we have the air line in. We have it locked in place. Now we put the wheel back on and lower the lift. Just barely make sure the wheel just barely touch the ground. Never lower it all the way with the bag empty. You have to fill up the system. There we go. Start the truck and let it fill up. There you go. You can hear it. Pump's kicking. Right there, compressor is kicking. Okay. That's where the compressor goes. Now everything goes back in reverse order. Both covers are back. Side cover is back. And can put this cover. Okay guys, so the job is done. The airbag is done. It's filling up the system with air. Just log on quick with the scanner. Make sure reset all fault codes related to that problem. So we have here okay, we got the two codes, right level sensor left, because we're working on the left side. We had an issue in control the time air lifting. System was completely drained, it was empty, so it's taken long to refill. So we're just gonna reset all related codes. Start the car again, and we're good to go.